In this video, we're going to replace the Upstream O2 sensor on this 2008 Acura MDX. It's located on the front of your motor, behind your radiator. So we're going to use an offset 22 millimeter or 7/8 oxygen sensor. Put that into position. What we're also going to use is a swivel on a few extensions and a breaker bar. All right, now that it's broke free, we can go ahead and pull our tools out. We should be able to spin this out. All right, so what we can do here is disconnect our electrical connection on our O2 sensor. Because it actually came off of the bracket, let's use another hand to support and separate that plug. Now we can freely spin out our O2 sensor. All right, so now we could take our new O2 sensor and lower it into position. We're going to tighten it in by hand. All right, now that we've got that snugged up by hand, what we're going to do is put our O2 sensor tool in place. And we're going to torque this down before we connect our electrical plug. All right, so now with our tool in place, we can lower down our torque wrench with extensions. And we're going to torque this down to 33 foot-pounds. All right. Just remove our tool from the cable. We can take our new cable, plug it into our connector, and locate these back onto that metal tab.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.